I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
Cruel jokes and taunting.
Oh no.
What is wrong with you?
Being around you only brings bad luck. I hate it. Goodbye.
Hey Mira, do you know what you just did? It's against the law. I'll put all of you in jail.
No more fear, no more cries. The hands once weak now hold tomorrow. When Mira came, she softly smiled. Thank you for making me strong inside. One day Mira came again with the same cruel tricks and games, but Rumi's calm, her eyes unshaken, and Mira froze, defeated by shame. From her tears she bloomed in light. No hate remained, just faith inside. Every scar became a key to unlock who she's meant to be. Rumi stands like the rising sun through every storm. She still runs when the world drags you down. Don't hide.
I am serious.
Only
You have
strength
to
can
try this
set
flavor
you
next
free
time.
Okay, I believe you. I've never seen you this excited about tea before.
The day I rose, they went silent, and when I shine, they last time.
Oh yeah.
Rumi smiled.
You'll come back.
I just never gave up. In a field so wide, she works alone. Hands of dust, heart turned to stone. One twilight glow she found by chance, a glass jar shining a faint romance. Inside a snail of purple light, softly glowing through the night. She took it home, placed by the pain. Unknowing love was whispering her name. Each night she came, her eyes would see. The home was clean, the flowers free. She hid one night, her heart in flight, saw a man appear in golden light. He cooked and smiled in silent grace, touched her food with soft embrace. Every breath her heart would sway, falling for him day by
One morning came, she made her choice, broke the jar with trembling voice. He turned surprised, his eyes so kind, then vanished, leaving dreams behind.
She wept beneath the purple blue, placed a shell in garden blue. Yet on the leaf beneath the sun, a tiny snail, her only one. Maybe love's not bound by skin, but souls that made and live within. Rumi smiles, her tears still bright. He's still there, her snail of love. Jinu walked away, suitcase in his hand, promised his wife a golden land. City lights, the neon dreams. He fell for money, wine and gleam. Forgot the village, forgot the vow. The woman waits then and now, carrying a small body inside. Still waiting day and night for her husband. Rumi took the bus alone, carried hope and love she owned. In the city, her heart broke true. He's with another, what could she do? She cried beneath the midnight rain. Dreams were washed down the drain. In her heart, two souls remain, a mother's love that knew no shame. Years have passed, her belly grows in a tiny house where the river flows. Life passed peacefully, tragedy began to strike. Mira's rage and stormy pure. She'll bring the truth, she'll endure. Files in love, the past revive, the guilty wear, the innocent survive.
Bye-bye.
Under the rain, she stands again, holding her mother's name. Jinu weeps in handcuffed chains. Mira cry, but none remain. Rumi, baby, tears of light. Justice wins this endless fight. In the rain, she hears a song. Daughter, you've been strong all along. Storm has passed, sky so clear. Rumi smiles, feels mother near. From pain to glory, from loss to grace, justice blooms in her embrace. Rumi hurries late again today. Teacher Mira waits, scolding on the way. Why are you always late? The words cut deep. Next day comes the same mistake. Punishment falls, her heart starts to ache. She cries alone in the quiet hall, wishing she could stand tall. But one day Mira sees her kind heart, helping a friend, her gentle hand shine. The teacher realizes she misunderstood this time. Mira opens arms, Rumi's courage finally recognized by